in this video, we're going to take a look at importing AURIN building data into QGIS and then exporting it out as a vector. So to start off with, we might want to visit their website, which is aurin.org.au, and go to their portal. On their portal, as you can see, the orange lines represent what is selected. We might want to refine that area to our liking. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the states and territories, and then select Victoria. I'll refine it once more. Select the local government areas as a sublevel, choose the most recent data, and then search for your precinct. In my case, it's Glenera. Done. So here's the precinct, which is in orange lines. To set the bounding box, which is the focus area of AURIN, onto this particular precinct, we could just go to the settings and copy as bounding box. So now we have a bounding box around our precinct. The next thing, we can start searching for data. So click on browse. And to search for buildings, we might want to look at parcels of lands or properties. I'm going to search for property. And you will get a collection of data, which is quite random. So I'm going to sort it out by the date and search for polygons. So there we have it. This is the first polygon. And I'm going to just download this, get the geometry data, and go to dataset. Accept. There we have it. It's just loading the data in its tabular columns. I'm just going to cross it out. So now we can download this data in the form of CSV files or shape files or GeoJSONs. I'm just going to go for the shape file because it's a little bit more versatile and ready for QGIS. So it's preparing to download now. There we have it. Once it's downloaded, you might want to extract the files into another folder. And oops. Yeah, the shape file with the highest file size, it's usually the one that we have to use. So I already have QGIS running in the background, and it's got a base map. Now we're going to just add in the shape file. There we go. There's all of our building data. Since we're going to import it later into AutoCAD, we do not want any of these as hatches. So to modify that, we want to take out the color. Let's just keep this transparent. And okay. Yep. Now we have just the lines. That looks good. So now we're going to click on export, save feature as, and save as number 2. Click save. And we're going to edit the CRS value and change it to the project CRS. And one aspect I forgot to do was zoom out and make sure it fits into your screen or the viewport. And then you export it. Yeah, like that. And then you export it. Same properties. Save it as number 2 again. And now we can set the scale of this to the canvas scale so that we, without too much scaling down, we can get the file ready. And uncheck that, click OK. And once you select this, the file's going to start saving, but I've already done that. It's going to take some time. So it's going to reduce this. There we go. So first off, the scaling is still going to be a little bit low. We might have to zoom extends to see everything. Yeah. And that would be a building data without roads.